Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get your e-commerce taxes and accounting done right, and we'll jump right into it. This topic is maybe not super sexy and exciting, but it's very important. And obviously building your own brand, that's fun, that's exciting. Maybe not as exciting, but super important. Accounting, tax planning, proper business setup, bookkeeping. These are kind of the backbones to your business, and they make up the back office that really kind of runs and operates the day to day. And you're not going to see gurus really talking about this because it doesn't sell courses. It's not something flashy. It's not something you could attach a big screenshot to, but you could really save or lose a lot of money when it comes down to bookkeeping and proper tax filing if you don't do it the right way. So this is all very important, even if it isn't kind of the most flashy subject. And there are definitely a lot of pain points that e-commerce entrepreneurs run into when they do their taxes or their bookkeeping. And number one is you're an entrepreneur, not an accountant. That's a very specific task and very specific set of skills, typically not one that is kind of shared by entrepreneurs. And on top of that, even if you were an expert, you may not be anymore. Tax laws, especially regarding online commerce, they're constantly changing. There are a bunch of updates in 2021. There's going to be a lot more in 2022 and beyond. The bottom line is you need to have someone that actually understands not only the kind of overall idea of tax, but what's happening right now this year in tax laws relevant to e-commerce. And there's obviously no built-in way to do this with something like Shopify. There's no accountant side of things. It's really going to involve working outside of the platform. And that's what this video is all about. That's why I've been working with 1-800-ACCOUNTANT for a while now. And if you want to get your taxes done right, you're going to use 1-800-ACCOUNTANT. I'm going to show you over the shoulder exactly what they could do for you. You see the link in the description though. Very, very, very highly recommended, not just by me. They have massive reviews. So let's go over the shoulder. I'm going to show you 1-800-ACCOUNTANT right now. So you're looking at 1-800-ACCOUNTANT.com and say hello to Better Online Accounting. First of all, these are all real CPAs. They're all real experts. They understand not only about accounting in general, bookkeeping in general, but specific to your industry, e-commerce, right? They're going to be able to match you up with a CPA on their team that actually understands your business. And I can't tell you how important that is. You could talk to someone who has 20 years of accounting experience, but if they don't have e-commerce experience, it's not going to be as helpful. And really, that can kind of come under the lens of a lot of different services. And all of these can be kind of your topic of help with 1-800-ACCOUNTANT. For example, you might want to be starting a business officially, right? Actually filing the paperwork, figuring out which type of business is going to work best for you. That's something that they could absolutely help you with, and that really helps you right off the bat be on the right track for success. Every year, business taxes, right? Today, a 1-800-ACCOUNTANT saves businesses more than $12,000 a year on taxes, and they guarantee the largest possible refund. Basically, they know exactly how to maximize on your tax prep, not only at tax time, but throughout the year tax prep, to make sure that you're filing your taxes properly and taking advantage of anything that you can, of course, within the guidelines that they are truly experts at. Payroll, for those of you that have a payroll staff, needing to have that in there, 1-800-ACCOUNTANT can do that for you. And of course, bookkeeping, which literally everyone needs and almost everyone ignores. This is that day-to-day accounting, sales, orders, COGS, right? Marketing, understanding your numbers at any moment, right? Proper bookkeeping is incredibly important as well. And they always talk about CPAs being a business owner's best friend. I mean, first of all, when it comes time to file taxes, this is the amount that you'll save by working with 1-800-ACCOUNTANT, people who actually understand, right? Understand what is going to be needed to file and to maximize your return as an e-commerce entrepreneur, as an e-commerce business owner. These are going to be accountants that know your business specific needs and know the industry in terms of the guidelines, the rules, even the new updated rules that are very, very relevant to us as Shopify and e-commerce entrepreneurs. And of course, as an entrepreneur, you want to know about their pricing. Flat rate pricing, very affordable. It's not hourly, so you're going to get nickel and dime to death. You can take a look at their pricing more. Again, you see the link directly below this video. And they have 30 days, no obligation satisfaction guaranteed. The reason why they have so many huge reviews, 4.7 out of 5 stars on over 3,800 reviews. Right, and you can come over here, take a look at Trustpilot and see all of the different reviews that are on Trustpilot here for 1-800-ACCOUNTANT. They have that excellent rating, 4.7 out of 5. Verified company, and literally just come over here and read review after review after review, understanding exactly kind of what I'm describing here. Why they're so good is because they have that very specific industry expertise, and they've partnered with literally some of the biggest names in this space: LegalZoom, BizFilings, Web.com, Gusto, Nolo. You've probably heard a lot of these names in the accounting and legal space. 1-800-Accountant is a leader among all of them. And you could read through it, and they've got a lot of great content on this site. But really the bottom line is you want to go ahead and talk to a CPA, schedule an appointment, and you'll be able to meet with an accountant that is going to have that relevant experience for your business. Whether you're a single person e-com store, maybe you have a team, maybe you have multiple businesses, maybe you also have a full-time job, whatever it is, you're going to be able to get all of that kind of talked about and your plan kind of built when you just come up here, start for free, and schedule your call. And I really highly recommend them. I think the biggest thing is that, of course, any accounting firm is going to have CPAs, right? And they might also have some nice reviews. What 1-800-Accountant has are industry expert CPAs, which are incredibly important. Any CPA could help you start a business, right? How about a CPA that understands Shopify, e-commerce, right? Amazon, or when it comes time to do business taxes, any accountant could help you with business taxes, but people that are going to really help us as e-com entrepreneurs are going to be the people that file e-com business on taxes, file small business taxes, that have stores and retail storefronts and have drop shipping businesses and print on demand businesses. Same thing goes for payroll and bookkeeping. And they're really going to become your best friend, like it says over here, if you have that industry match and that industry expertise, exactly what 1-800-Accountant gives you. So I really highly recommend them. You can take a look through if you're in my bootcamp. I've got a lot more videos on tax prep and how to do this. If you're taking a look at my free training, I've got some content on my YouTube as well about tax time with 1-800-Accountant, how they could help not only at tax time, but year round. So make sure you check that out. A lot of great stuff there. You can learn more about 1-800-Accountant. You see the link directly below this video. But I highly recommend them. And again, like I said, not just me. They have that excellent rating, 4.7 out of 5 stars over here on Trustpilot. So you know that they are really good at doing exactly what they say they are. And again, that's that industry-specific expertise when it comes to online accounting. So make sure you jump in. The time is literally right now to get into 1-800-Accountant, get your taxes ready to be filed, and get your business properly set up, bookkeeping set up, all that good stuff. I know you're going to love working with 1-800-Accountant. Click the link in the description to book a free consultation with a small business accounting expert right now. I hope this helps you save a lot of money during tax time, and I'll talk to you real soon.